Travel with Sam.
Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SAMSTRAVELDIARY. Today I'm going to bring a review about Hummer. My friend with me is Vino, my friend.
Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall.
Hummer is a brand of trucks founded in 28 years ago. That means 1992 January 22. The parent was General Motors, headquarters in Michigan, US. Since 1992, rich people are using this product. Today we are going to Safari. Hummer is the best product for wild and desert safari. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Would you like to travel all around the world? My channel will bring wildlife, world travel, world sport and everything for you. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.